Before you begin jumping into the many lucid dream induction techniques, it is important to establish sound fundamentals. The first step is to increase your dream recall abilities so that you can remember at least one dream per night, ideally two. If you jump into lucid dream induction too quickly, you risk the possibility of succeeding at inducing a lucid dream only to forget it before you wake up, leading to frustration and losing confidence in your practice. Creating a dream journal and consistently using it is often enough to increase your dream recall to sufficient levels. You can also use autosuggestion and visualization, two key lucid dreaming skills, to aid in your dream recall. It is important to optimize your sleep hygiene to ensure you are getting healthy, quality sleep. This will stabilize your sleep cycle and maximize your REM, or dreaming sleep. Over time, you can analyze your sleep cycle to discover how you sleep and take advantage of this data to induce lucid dreams. I recommend starting a dream journal immediately and committing the first 2 weeks of your practice to improving your dream recall, tracking your sleep cycle, and analyzing your dreams. More on gathering dream data in the next session. Always remember to prioritize healthy sleep over dream activities. If you feel like your dream practice is interfering with your quality of sleep, scale down your practice and reassess your methodology. Make dreams an important part of your life. Consistently recording dreams and genuinely caring about your dream practice is often enough to increase your dream recall dramatically. In the first few weeks of your practice, I recommend practicing your autosuggestion and visualization skills consistently, as this will greatly increase your ability to induce lucid dreams later on. But don't worry, in the final section of this course, I will lay out a step-by-step, week-by-week plan for your first 4 weeks of lucid dreaming so you know exactly what to practice. Included with this course are some extremely valuable downloadable resources. This includes a hypnogram, which you can use to compare your sleep cycle to. This will come into play later on in the course. A dream journal template, which includes all the necessary information that you need to record. A dream recall tracker, so you can track your progress and watch your dream recall abilities increase. And 2 audio files with guided autosuggestion and visualization sessions to help you get started increasing your skills. At this point, you should have a strong grasp on the fundamentals required to create a successful lucid dreaming practice. You have learned how dreams have been used in human history and dreaming's most important scientific breakthroughs. You understand how your brain cycles through the different stages of sleep and the importance of REM sleep for lucid dreamers. You can now effectively create your own dream journal, your personal roadmap to your dreaming mind. And you understand how to use autosuggestion and visualization to increase the number of dreams you remember each night. All of these skills are critical to creating an effective lucid dreaming practice. It has been a pleasure working with you. Feel free to return to the Hall of Knowledge at any time if you need to brush up on your fundamentals, or if you just want to say hello. I will now be passing you along to your next instructor. Take care!